Petra is a historic and archaeological city located in the southern part of Jordan. It was the capital of the Nabataean kingdom, an ancient Arab tribe that controlled the trade routes in the region, from the 4th century BC until it was annexed by the Roman Empire in 106 AD. Petra is famous for its unique architecture and its structures that were carved directly into the rock. The most iconic structure in Petra is the Treasury, which is carved out of a sandstone cliff and features elaborate façades and columns. Other notable structures in Petra include the monastery, the royal tombs, and the Roman-style amphitheater. In addition to its historical significance, Petra is also a stunning natural wonder, with red and pink sandstone cliffs towering over the city and surrounding desert landscape. The site was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985 and was also chosen as one of the new 7 Wonders of the World in 2007. Today, Petra is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the Middle East, attracting visitors from all over the world who come to explore its rich history and breathtaking scenery.